In the last lesson, I just talked about the major intervals, and you may have noticed that I skipped over a few of the intervals. That's because we actually use a different name for those intervals. Now, the process is the same, but the name that we use is perfect. C to F is a fourth. And because F is part of the C major scale, we call it a perfect fourth. Okay. So again, it's the same process, we just use a different name. You can guess C to G is a perfect fifth. And we also talk about the unison as being perfect unison, and the octave is a perfect octave. Okay. So same process, but we have two different words. Okay. Once again, you have to be very careful about the key signature of the scale that you're using. If we try to find the perfect fourth up from F, for example, then think about the F major scale. You just learned that the F major scale has B flat in it. Okay, so a perfect fourth would be from F to B flat. Okay, so again, be careful of the accidental. One more example, if we look at the B flat major scale, again, you've learned that the B flat major scale has B flat and E flat in it. So, from B flat to E flat is a perfect fourth. Okay. So again, be very, very careful with the key signatures. So do some practice with this. There are several more qualities of intervals that we're going to talk about in the next unit. But for right now, get some really good practice with the major and perfect intervals, because once you have those, it's much easier to find the other qualities.